From where we see it, we have never really faced a problem as women in this industry. We were well respected and treated as equals by our peers and clients alike. We've always been accepted right from the start of our event careers when there were not so many women in this industry. And today, as an all women's company, we come on with like girl power on an event, and it's something that people look at with awe. And in fact, it's had no adverse effect on us. In fact, I think if at all, it's been a positive
Absolutely, absolutely.
in
You
this
know,
industry.
yeah, actually, the important thing here is whether you're a man or a woman, it's important to respect people.
That's
So,
true.
starting from the client to the director, all the way down to the carpenter and the spot boy, it's important to treat them respectfully. Focus on your work, and in return, you get the respect that you deserve. We treat everyone respectfully, and we've absolutely never had a problem of being discriminated or anything like that.
And I think that this is a universal thing. I mean, whether you're a man or a woman, it's the same thing. If you give respect, you get respect. And today, I think where we would like to see a change, if at all anything, with women in this industry, from where we started to now, there's been a huge jump in the number of women in the industry.
True, yeah.
In
Yeah.
production, design aspects, client servicing. What would be lovely is to see more women, perhaps in a technical role like lighting designers, sound engineers, TV directors.
True.
There is great scope
Yeah,
for
there
women
aren't
to
those
enter.
many there.
Yeah,
True,
those
yeah.
predominantly
Yeah.
like male-driven areas of the event industry. I think that would
Yeah.
be real,
Yeah.
change, and women going upward from here.
Yeah. You know, the other thing we get asked a lot, why are you an all girls company?
All the
And
time.
yeah, all the time. And honestly, so while we're talking about women in events, you know what we get asked really often is that why are you an all girls company?
Oh,
It's anyway. So the reason is we don't really know, or there is no real reason as to why we are an all girls company, except for the fact that it works for us. The first two events that we did coincidentally just happened to be with all women, and we realized that we work very well together. You know, we there's this great chemistry. We take our notes diligently, and we do our team meetings. We divide the work between us, and everybody's happy to listen to each other, and it just works. So we said, why fix what ain't broke? We just stuck with it.
well, what's happened is over time it's become a USP for OnQ that we are an all women's company. And we got girls from really nice families because we provided a sense of security in staying in all women's company, and their families felt comfortable about it. Today we are, because we're an all women's company, we are like a work family, I would say,
Yeah,
to each
yeah.
other. It goes way beyond the work. We're support structure through good times, bad times. We believe that a team that works together, chills together, laughs together, cries together, and stays on cue forever.
Forever.